Hello, this is JMT KOREA. Today, we're making stir-fried anchovies. It's a traditional Korean side dish, rich in calcium and full of flavor. First, make the sauce. Mix 2 spoons soy sauce, 2 spoons mirin, 4 spoons sugar, and 6 spoons corn syrup. Heat a dry wok on high. Lower to medium-low heat. Add 300 grams of dried anchovies. Stir-fry slowly to remove moisture. This helps get rid of the fishy smell. Sift the anchovies in a strainer. Remove any powder or impurities. Now add cooking oil to the wok. Put in half a spoon of minced garlic. Stir fry on low heat until golden. Add the anchovies back in. Coat them well in the garlic oil. Pour in the prepared sauce. Stir fry until evenly coated. Finally, sprinkle sesame seeds. Give it a quick stir. Done. And that's it. Crispy, sweet, and savory Korean stir-fried anchovies. Perfect with a bowl of rice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next recipe.